So my friend is up here in a Mini Cooper, Countryman S. How would you guys say it? Countryman or Countryman? I don't even know. I don't follow Mini Coopers too much. I think they're cool. They're fun cars. This one's a 4-cylinder turbo. It's all-wheel drive. Really fun. Let's catch up to him real quick. Here he is. So we're just going for a little drive. I'm actually having a sleepover at his house, and I'm doing my daily uploads. Today is day 5. This recording right here is day 5. I've done 4 days in a row. I'm sorry if the content isn't that good, but I'm just trying to pump it out, and I'm trying to have okay content. And I do realize that commentary in my content does help a lot. That's a cool Camaro. Wonder if that was a SS or maybe a LT1. I really like the Camaro LT1 and the Camaro SS. They're really cool. Actually, if you guys did not know, the other car that I could have potentially gotten instead of this was a Camaro LT1. He just floored it a little bit. He just gave a little bit of gas, it's funny. But it was a manual LT1. Now, if you guys don't understand the reason why I got the 10-speed auto in this car, is that it's just that the 10-speed auto is just so much better than the MT82 that these cars come with. But yeah, I would have totally got a manual Mustang if it came with the Tremec. For example, if I got a Mach 1, 100%, or a Dark Horse, 100%. But that's just way out of my budget, and I just cannot afford that. And I would totally rather have a Dark Horse over this car. I don't know who wouldn't. It's literally the better version of this car. And if I were to get a Dark Horse ever in the future, I would totally get the Tremec. I think if you get a 10-speed auto in the Dark Horse, you're I don't get it. Just get one of these. And the thing with the Camaro, it's not the greatest first car because the visibility is just so bad. It's really bad. My dad's owned a few, and that is the biggest takeaway that he can take away from those cars, is that the visibility is just so ass. And in this car, I feel like Mustang, Camaro, Challenger, Charger, Mustang's the best all-around car in my opinion. And I'm not just saying that because I own one. I'm saying that because that's why I bought one. Me and my friend love collecting Hot Wheels. It's just like something that we do. And so we went to a Target and a Safeway, and on the way home from there, it was raining so bad. It was like literal torrential downpour. There were puddles all over the road. We had to sprint back to the car. Thank God I had 2 towels in my car, and they were put to use 100%. All right, we are back on the road. Little detour, but we're back. Where are we gonna go? Let's just go this way. Let's go back to my friend's house. Why not? So yeah, we're getting really close to 200 subscribers. It's actually really cool. I think we're at 194 subscribers as of this video. So yeah, I think it's an interesting idea, like saying how many subscribers I have in my video, because I think if I look back into the future, or from the future at these videos, then maybe I'll have like 500 subscribers, and I'll be like, oh look, this is when I had 194, because you can see at what point you had how many subs. But I don't know, it's just a fun and easy way to see it. It'll be interesting. I wish I could play music, but I just don't want to get copyrighted. I want to be able to get, my watch hours and have it count towards monetization. Yeah. So that kind of sucks. I guess I could play like non-copyrighted music, but that's boring. I don't really want to do that. I'd rather just listen to the car. Actually, it's a lot cooler, so I can have a little more fun in the car, and I could do that a little more often. I've actually been getting into gas mileage recently, because I've been doing a lot of city driving, and since I'm doing more highway driving now, I've been getting into it. You can see right there, it says 15.0 miles per gallon. That's so bad, but I'm definitely not helping it at all by what I'm doing right now. I mean, I'm not doing any wide open throttles, so I don't think it's that bad, but what is this guy doing? camera, like right here. Where's he going? It's those damn speeding cameras I was talking about in some of my earlier videos. I hate those. So you gotta drive the speed limit and you gotta just watch the stale green light stay stale green and just pray that it does not turn yellow or red. If it turns yellow, is it worth braking, or you think, now it's yellow. I wonder if he's trying to take like a different way to try to beat me back to his house. Be fun. It's a little slippery, but it's whatever. Dude, those shifts are just nasty. Dude, if you're watching this video right now and you're about to write a hate comment for me buying a 10-speed auto instead of a manual, you can go kiss my ass, because that is fucking awesome. That is awesome right there. Like, do I look like I'm bored right now? Do I look like I'm bored? Yeah, no, I'm not bored. I'm using the paddles. Yeah, sure, it's not as cool as, but it's good, dude. It's really good. Hey, I'm smoking a 6-speed manual. I'm smoking a stick shift Mustang any day. Smoking that shit. Not even close. If you guys have made it this far into the video, please drop a like and sub. I would appreciate it a lot. Let's get to 200 subscribers. And if you're watching this and I already have 200 subscribers, then go for it. Still do it. I would really appreciate it. I've been putting a lot of work into my videos recently, trying to, you know, it's summer now. I have no reason not to. So, yeah. Appreciate it a lot. Why is he driving so crazy? Where is this? Are we on Route 40? He just floored it. That's funny. I think he wants to go get snacks, maybe. Where's he going? I wonder what kind of cars they have in there. Hey, it's bumpy. Good thing I have my new Mustang. My last Mustang would not have made it over that bump with that much ease. It's funny. Alright. Just going left. Jesus Christ. This guy. Oof. Did you guys hear that pop? That was a very good sounding pop. Really fun. Begin on the big boy roads now.